So what, were you wrapping up?
We're wrapping up.
Oh Nityananda Bo, Hari Bo, Hari Bo.
Okay, so it's shopping time. We're gonna find some nice eatables for Krishna. So what's the most important thing to be aware of when we shop for Krishna Prabhu?
To make sure the food is fresh and Krishna's gonna like.
Good points. How do you know if Krishna gonna like it?
Because Krishna tells people what he likes in the Bhagavad Gita. Fruit, grains, water, milk.
Let me know down in the comments below, what do you buy for Krishna when you shop? Krishna likes to eat in your temple.
Krishna likes squashes, bananas, potatoes.
Potato. Shop for sabjis. What do you get? What do you get when you get what you get? So many varieties of vegetables, and still people that want to consume the meat. Hey, why should they consume a meat? It's ridiculous. Oh, I think this is my favorite, avocados. Oh boy, why is that always so freaking cold in these stores? Either way, while Max is finishing shopping, I'm gonna share with you what's the difference actually when the monks shop. Of course, we shop for Krishna, but what this consciousness entails shopping to Krishna. We're taking the temple consciousness or the spiritual consciousness outside of its environment. You know, we go out, we enter the store, we go out of the store, we see all these vegetables, we see all these people, we interact with everyone, but specifically when we shop, you know, we don't shop for our senses, we shop for Krishna. So when we look at the things, let's say look at these, they're cool blueberries there, right? Seemingly a trivial, natural, ordinary thing, but actually when you meditate on the object, because we all have to meditate, right? Actually, meditation is it's not just for monks. Everyone is meditating. Like when we enter the store, we think, oh, what I'm going to buy, what my family would like, what my kids would like. Oh, this, you know, my wife asked me to buy that, not to forget this. So we all thinking about all these things constantly. So when we think in terms of Krishna's desire, we start to manifest the spiritual consciousness all around us, and we turn the store, the same store we go into shopping, into a spiritual store, a temple basically, you know. Or activity, you know, you go shopping, you can even just meditate how you offer a huge, I don't know, fruit salad from all the fruits you see at the store here. Like here, there's some watermelons too outside. So you can think like that, oh wow, I'm gonna take all these watermelons and cut them and peel them, although you won't be able to do that still, but you can do that in the form of a meditation, and then shopping becomes spiritual, you know. Try it out. Hey, look, Tulsi's cousin, Mr. Basil. Mission complete.
Squash was very hard to peel.
Squash, broccoli, tomatoes, all gonna be sacrificed for the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Jai!
And cooking is never cooking for Krishna without the transcendental sound vibration of the holy name or the sound vibration of his devotees. So I personally like to put classes by Gurujit or Makanchar Prabhu from Bliss Fungirola. You're welcome to check out their page on Facebook or on YouTube. See what they're up for. Sometimes we even catch them live. Bliss Fungirola, like. Put it full blast. Keeps us Krishna conscious while we're cooking for Krishna, because that's what actually makes the food spiritual, the consciousness. We are what we eat. So if we eat Krishna prasadam, we become spiritual. And if we listen to Krishna Katha talks about Krishna, about spiritual subject matters while cooking, then the food becomes spiritual. Let's see how we do it.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Reading from the Bhagavad Gita as it is by His Divine Grace, Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada.
Tyaktum karmanya sheshata.
Tyaktum karmanya sheshata.
Yastu karma palatyagi.
Yastu karma palatyagi.
Satyagitya vidhiyate.
Satyagitya vidhiyate. No question, no challenge. Questioning you can do. Questioning.
We're just about to offer to Krishna. Let's see what we got here. Shupati, baked sabji, and tea. Let's just get the plate ready and knock on Krishna's door.
But you question about the real thing. Don't question the Shastra or the spiritual master on things like material sensuality. How do I enjoy more? And the spirit.
The vegetables and baked. While last but not the least, chapati. You think Krishna gonna like? Let's go give Krishna some pleasure. In the meantime, we're gonna go and finish the rest of the chapatis.
Spiritual master doesn't answer such foolish questions. He remains silent. He's not obliged to answer your sense gratificatory proposals. Don't try to make the guru a prostitute. You give some dakshin and then you expect that the guru.
So what we're gonna see if Krishna liked. Let's go check.
Thank you, Praveen.
So you see, I was just kidding you. We don't eat once. Don't be scared. Be a monk for a day or for a whole year. You're not gonna get fat. Oh, sorry, hungry. You're not gonna be hungry. Yeah, that's better. Go and join Max in the evening program. Everybody, chant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Shingam, Dalita Iranakashipo, Tanuvingam, Keshadarita Narahari Rupa, Lava Girivaradare. Nandashadvete Karada Shiva, Sri Gora Bhaktivinoda Ki Jai. Hare Krishna. All glories to Atman, Kobli, Chandrago, Hadri, Gopal, Eric, Conscious Pictures. Hare Krishna. Thank you for joining. You're going to be featured in the next episode of the vlog. Hare Krishna. All glories to Shiguru and Gauranga. All glories to Shira Prabhupada. We're going to be reading from the next verse in the Bhagavad Gita as it is by Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivinoda Swami Prabhupada. Let's go.
Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Oh Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. In general will always speak of you ill fame, of your ill fame, and for a respectable person like yourself, such infame will be worse than death. Purported by Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Ki Jai. Born in the darkness of ignorance, and my spiritual master is Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Kindly open my darkened eyes with the torchlight of knowledge. Because a ruler, if he wants to make a change, if he wants to actually rule the people, not demand respect, but command respect, like we said before, he has to develop that respect naturally with people. Just like Lord Ramachandra, right? He was enthroned to be the king, and then his father, he changed his opinion. So that all the citizens of Ayodhya, they were lamenting so much, because for them, they were ready to accept him as their Lord and Master. But he didn't force himself on them. This is something very important to understand. That yes, the Vedic society was ruled by a king, by a dictator, but that dictator, he wasn't there artificially. He wasn't there because he wanted or someone else wanted. No, because the people wanted him. The people accepted the dictator as their father and family, as his own children. How about you? Anyone more questions? We got 20,000 viewers. Okay, so evening program is over. Let's see what Max Prabhu is up for. Haribol. Who is here in the live chat room? Ria Patel. Ikram, you in the vlog. Thank you so much for joining. Please put a like and share. Don't hesitate. Luke is here. Oh, Hare Krishna, Luke.
Make everyone chant dance. Hare Krishna.
Place. Many people were congested. Hundreds of people were congested.
So how do you summarize the episode of Books Not Bombs USA?
Very nicely edited. Krishna liked, I think.
Haribol. So that's about it. It's past 9. Everyone in the temple are gonna go take rest. Tomorrow's a new day. New adventures, new exciting, thrilling moments here in the temple, in the spiritual, beautiful abode of Bliss, USA. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for participating in the live stream throughout the day. Sharing, liking, subscribing. It really means a lot to me. Hare Krishna and have a good night. Haribol.